Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today the video is about Hot Wheels pop culture, the Beatles, Hot Wheels Hiway Hauler, which is a cool collectible for fans of both iconic bands and the Hot Wheels. Before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As this Beatles Hot Wheels Hiway Hauler, which comes in green color, it's a 1:64 replica features which comes with the genuine details. As both the colors are vibrant and eye-catching, making them great addition to any collection. As both versions celebrate the music history and the pop culture, so collectors can choose their favorite color or even collect both. As it features the ticket replica artwork from their 1964 US tour. So if you are curious about the orange Hiway Hauler, you can find more information in the description or by clicking the link card above. So my thoughts about this Hiway Hauler, which comes in green and orange, are positive. This Hiway Hauler provides a satisfying weight, and their distinct design make them stand out. The cool art work such as tickets, especially with the cool design for each version, makes these haulers even more unique. As a collector, I find these haulers to be a cool addition to my collection. So let me know in the comments which edition you would prefer, whether it's a orange or green or both. So that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.